Welcome to Running Deer Outdoor Adventures. I'm Zach and this is Lainey. So today we're gonna make you a meal that we made as kids playing in the woods, kind of our own creation that whatever we could find in our parents' fridges and take in the woods with us. Here we go. Add your Coleman burner.
Is that water? What? What's that?
It's a canteen cup. USGI canteen cup. See if it'll work with my burner. Looks pretty good, huh?
Where is this?
So to make this, you need any peppered jerky. I just prefer Jack Link's. Some celery and carrots, and some water.
It has 100 on it.
Nope.
Why?
100% beef. I hope Daddy brought spoons.
What?
I said I hope Daddy brought spoons. Wouldn't be the first time Daddy forgot stuff. Alright, now get all your jerky in your cup there. Alright. Ready, Lane? Now,
Water.
you add the water.
Wow.
Like that.
Dad, could I put this in?
No. Ready? So we heat that up. I think Daddy got everything but the fork. But we're gonna have to use a stick.
For what? To mix it?
Yeah. And to eat it.
What?
And to eat it.
How are we gonna eat it with a stick?
We'll see. There we go. Alright, so we're boiling. Time to add our carrots and celery.
Carrots and celery.
Put some of both in there. Oh, I'm dropping some, bub. Get a little onion in there.
Ew.
You'll like it, I promise, buddy. You don't even taste it. Take on me.
I heard a buck.
Okay.
I heard a buck or something.
You didn't.
I already ate breakfast. McDonald's. And this is our lunch.
Yep, this is lunch. Look at that. Smells great, lady. So,
Sounds good.
smell the meat.
Yummy.
Alright, so Lainey's first try. Yummy?
Hot.
It is hot. How's it? Pretty good, huh? And you told me it was going to be yucky.
Look. That.
I want you to try some carrots. Because,
Look out there.
no. Here. With your finger. Make sure the stuff's on it. Yeah, just do.
What is that?
Just put it in your mouth. Now put that in your mouth. Yummy, huh?
What? What's that?
We're going to make this more out here.
What?
That was onion.
Wow.
Yummy, huh? Now here, try that carrot. Grab hold of it. Carrot. You got it? Alright, grab that. Go ahead.
Hot.
It's gonna be.
Can't.
Put the carrot in your mouth. How about that? If you have to blow on it, blow on it.
What are you doing?
Pretty good. You wanna try it this way? Alright guys, so this is our adventure for the day, hanging out in the woods. Made stew. He liked it, just doesn't like the carrots. But for now, we're running Deer Outdoor Adventures. I'm Zach. This is Lainey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and shoot us a comment if you guys liked it. And if you're going to laugh at us, well, do us a favor and subscribe. Get more laughs. We'll catch you guys later.